how to enable liquid glass on iPhone iOS 26. Now on the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot, then tap on Edit at the top. Next, tap on Customize from the pop-up menu, then tap on Clear, and you can see immediately it will change the icons to liquid glass. So here I will go into Settings. In Settings, we also go down and tap on Accessibility. So let's find Accessibility in here, and then scroll down and tap on Display in Text Size. And here, make sure you turn off Reduce Transparent and turn off Increase Contrast. And that's it. So here we have liquid glass turn on. Thank you for watching this video.